I think that the theme of the spa would definitely be a guy's place where they can feel comfortable to relax and achieve all of their pampering needs, as well as learn a little bit about themselves, what they need to do, how to maintain themselves to properly achieve the caliber of clients that they're looking to have. We're the first spa that is definitely dedicated our time, ambiance, feel, everything from the sight, sound, touch, ESPN, CNN, full premium Bacardi bar, indoor cigar lounge. These types of amenities are what guys look for to help them keep their macho-ness.
You know, I really like the fact that we've really diversed ourselves with different product lines at this point. We haven't really had a specific product line that we've stuck with, because you and I are very good about researching the international market and what's out there and bringing the biggest trends in international skincare and hair care to our clients.
This is definitely an area for gentlemen to entertain either themselves or clients. We can cater luncheon. Having an indoor cigar lounge definitely there's nothing feminine about that. So when they come in to relax and get all of their pampering and grooming needs, they can feel confident about it.
We don't gear ourselves to one typical client. We gear ourselves to the client that wants to maintain his looks. Here at Monsieur, we do everything from haircuts, coloring, scalp massages, hot shaves, facials, manicures and pedicures, waxing.
And let's not forget, Monsieur does cater to the ladies. All the mademoiselles out there are more than welcome to come in and get highlights, keratin treatments, hair color. Everything that we do for the guys, we do for the ladies, but we do it that much better. I think that every man's worst nightmare is going shopping. So if you have myself and my business partner hand selecting items for you that you can purchase for your wife, your girlfriend, or perhaps your daughter, then it takes kind of the guesswork out of what should I get. We've worked with the Florida Breast Cancer Foundation to host a breast cancer awareness event. We offered complimentary services throughout the day. We also had 6 other vendors that offered the same, their services complimentary to those people who attended to get educated by the Florida Breast Cancer Foundation.
I think that we're beyond a salon and spa and destination. We've opened our doors to allow other people to rent out our facility to really expose themselves and exhibit themselves on a different level. I think that you and I have really opened the doors for new artists to not hesitate and showcase their work. Monsieur is not just a spa, it's a standard in life.